Hello, dear children. I hope all of you are fit and fine today. So, you can see my picture as well as the cover page of your English book. Guess who I am? I am Madhushri. I am going to teach you English. In today's session, I'm gonna take first chapter from your English literature book called Valotia and Me. Before reading and explaining this chapter, you must know what is a short story. So, a short story is a brief and often has an unexpected ending. Ending can be joyful or sorrowful. It is depending on the story. So I want to ask some question from all of you that I guess all of you are having siblings at home, maybe a brother or sister. So you can see over here that here in this picture we are having two boys. One is younger, one is older, and both of them is like painting and they are just busy with their studies. So you can see over here, right? Most of the time, it has been observed that similar age siblings used to fight with each other. So, you can see similarities and dissimilarities of characters between them or among them. Right. So, I am going to tell you the same thing in today's lesson. One thing you have to remember, children, that this extract has been taken from My Elder Brother. So it was written by Leo Tolstoy. Now I am going to discuss about the author and his background of work. Over here you can see the picture of Leo Tolstoy, born September 9, 1828. So he was born near Moscow, Russia. His family was a part of Russian nobility and had a rich story. What does it mean? Means he belongs to rich family. He had rich culture. Tolstoy was a prolific author who wrote about life in general. In the words of the Russian author Isaac Babel, if the world could write by itself, it would write like Tolstoy. It's just a comment which was actually given for him by other Russian authors. Okay, he is best known for his novels, and that is Anna Karenina and War and Peace. Tolstoy is often regarded as the greatest novelist of all time. This story has been translated from Russian to English. It means this story which we are having today as a learning basic, so that is the translated form which we are having, right? So it is written by C.J. Haka. Now let me start explaining this chapter. First of all, I was only a year and some months younger than Valotia. We were quite close. We grew up, studied and played together. So basically you will be finding here two characters, Nikki and Valotia. Nikki is the narrator of